The Cubot KingKong 8 is a rugged smartphone that's built to withstand the harshest conditions. It's IP68 water and dust proof, and it can survive drops from up to 1.5 meters. It also has a long-lasting 10600 mAh battery that will keep you going for days on end. But the Cubot KingKong 8 is more than just a tough phone. It also has some great features, including a 6.528-inch display, a 48MP main camera, and 12 GB of RAM. Here are some of the key features of the Cubot KingKong 8. IP68 water and dust proof, can survive drops from up to 1.5 meters, 10600 mAh battery, 6.528-inch display, 48MP main camera, 12 GB of RAM, Android 13. In addition to these features, the Cubot KingKong 8 also has NFC for contactless payments, fingerprint sensor for security, dual 4G LTE networks, OTG support, proximity sensor, accelerometer, magnetic sensor, gyroscope, light sensor, ultra-bright LED torch. The Cubot KingKong 8 is the perfect phone for people who need a rugged and reliable phone. It's also a great option for people who want a phone with a long battery life and plenty of storage space. Here are some of the benefits of using the Cubot KingKong 8. It's virtually indestructible, it has a long-lasting battery, it has a lot of storage space, it has a lot of great features. It's affordable. If you're looking for a tough, reliable, and affordable smartphone, then you need to check out the Cubot KingKong 8. It's the perfect phone for people who live an active lifestyle. Click the link in the description below to buy the Cubot KingKong 8 today. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video about the Cubot KingKong 8 rugged phone. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great videos.